friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and guess what? We are having a free online event on September 9th at 5 p.m. Pacific time. So that's 8 p.m. Eastern time, and if you're in between those times, you got to do the math, but you know what? It'll be worth it because we're going to have so much fun. Of course, we're going to have raffles for free gift certificates. All you have to do is answer stuff on the chat, but the items that we're going to release are mind-blowing. You're definitely going to want to check them out. Lots of flash sales, lots of awesomeness, and I'll be demonstrating live, and you know what? The best part? We get to chat together. It's so much fun. And of course, it's free. So come see us, thestampsoflife.com. It'll be a free online event. You can find us on YouTube or Facebook or our website. And it will be September 9th at 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern. I will see you there. Bye-bye.